So we are now in our home field of pears, and they are ripe at this moment. So our home field did pretty well this year with the pears. As you can see, we have some nice size pears on the trees, which is great. Unfortunately, the other field is completely empty. Dad picked it by hand and he got less than 4 bins out of an hectare of pears. That's absolutely nothing. So that's what it is for that field. But at this field we're harvesting at this moment. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Unfortunately, I didn't have all the time to film and to be here because I had to do something at my home renovation where I needed to be to get some deadlines done. So that's what it is. There's just some dates that you can't shift.
ladders creak and the baskets sway. Sweat on the brow at the break of day. The wind it whispers stories untold of orchards bright and hands so bold. Every branch a song to hold. Every pear a piece of gold. Old. Harvest these pears, harvest them now. Pluck go track hums beneath the bough. One by one we gather and sing. Conference pears for the table we bring.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get a notification when the next video comes online. It's harvest time, so a lot more videos will follow. Thank you for watching.